I would never live to adulthood because I saw that every single day. And so now there are fewer fires because we have smoke. Yeah, there's a few and they make big news, but the rate compared back then, New York has fewer firehouses. We've been closing firehouses.
More
you
boring.
just don't need them. And by the way, what really saved things are smoke detectors, because before smoke detectors, you had to buy flame retardant things in your home. Your curtains were flame retardant. Your child had flame retardant onesies.
Yeah, really?
Okay? But if you think that through, if they're in the crib and the flame is strong enough,
It's not going to help.
my point is, this flame, and we later learned some of them cause cancer. That's not what kept people alive. Ultimately, it's the smoke detector.
Wow.